Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a cute updo ponytail, something simple and quick. So first I take my holding spray and I use that to shape my baby hair and also brush my hair back a bit. I like to shape my hair before I actually lay it. So that everything is going in the direction that I want it to go. Then I take my Gots to Be Glue freeze hold spray and I use that to put my hair into a ponytail with my comb. So once my ponytail is in place, I take my Gots to Be Glue spray again and then I use that to slick and mold my ponytail. And let me just tell you, we're going to be using a lot of hairspray in this video, a very generous amount. So be very generous with the hairspray. As you can see, I'm spraying my hair in sections and then I'm taking my blow dryer and blow drying the hair up while sliding my hand up as well into the direction of the ponytail. This really gives it a sleek look. And you want to continue to do this until the entire ponytail is sleek and hard. I took a tiny amount of my Edge Booster Edge Control and used that to really slick my edges. You don't need a lot at all. I just like the sleek, shiny look. So right here, I'm putting my ponytail into a braid. Now just a tip, when you're doing a updo ponytail, you want to wrap your braid into a tight knot bun. This way, when you place your tracks on the bun, it'll just like fall on your head and you don't have to worry about the braid in the middle. So for me, I wasn't sure if I wanted to do a ponytail or updo. So this way, when I'm tired of the updo, I could just take it down and it'll be a ponytail. But if you strictly want to updo, then you want to make it like a knot bun instead. So right here, I'm wrapping my wrap strip around the ponytail, making sure I cover the entire ponytail. I like to go down and back up. As I like to do at least 2 layers of this so that none of the glue gets on my actual hair. And also I like to purchase the thick black wrap strips. These are a really strong hold. They're much better than the super thin flimsy wrap strips that rip really easily. So now it's time to wrap the ponytail. So I'm going to be using my Cambodian extensions and of course some track glue. So I put some glue at the end of the track first and I wrap that around. And as I go up, you're going to see me adding glue to the actual wrap strip and wrapping the track around. I like to put like 3 lines on the wrap strip and wrap the track around. For me, it's just easier because if I put it on the track, for some reason I keep getting glue on my hands. So this way it's easier. But when you take off the wrap strip, you still don't have any glue on your hair. So that's all that matters. So now it's time to do my bangs, and for this style I want 2 long bangs. So first I straighten my extensions using my Red Pro titanium flat irons, and as you can see the hair gets straight with just 1 pass. I got these the other day at the beauty supply store and they cost half the price of my Babyliss flat irons. And I must say I'm impressed. So now it's time to place the tracks. So first I'm going to part my hair in the middle and then I'm going to add 3 pieces to each side, placing them at an angle. This is so that the extensions fall towards my face, and if you keep watching you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Now that that's done, I take my flat irons and flat iron my hair with the extensions to blend it all together and use a little holding spray to blend the flyaways. You can also use a pomade stick as well. So right here, I'm just cutting my bangs to the length that I want them before I curl and pin them. Be sure to use a little holding spray when doing your curls so that way when you take them out of the pins, they'll be nice and crisp. I'm using Kenra's Super Hold Volume Spray. It has a nice hold and shine. I'll leave the link below if you want to grab you some. So now it's time to pin curl my ponytail, and I will say it takes a bit of creativity. So first you want to take a piece and then you're going to curl it, and then you're going to take that curl, roll it up and pin it. And you're going to continue to do that all through the ponytail until it's finished. And for me, I took a few pieces out and curled it just because that was the look I was going for, and I think it's super cute. So you want to play with it a bit. I really didn't want my curly bun to be flat, so I would pull the curls apart and kind of fluff it up until it's set exactly how I wanted it to. And yes, I did have to reposition a few curls until it gave what I wanted it to give. Now that that's done, I took my pin curls out and of course sprayed my hair with some holding spray. And like I said, be very generous with the holding spray if you want your hair to stay in place. And this is the end result. It turned out so cute. I'm so in love with this hairstyle. I'm definitely gonna have to run this one back. And let me do a 360 for y'all real quick. So guys, this is the end of this video. If you guys liked it, please go ahead and hit that like button. And if you aren't already subscribed to me, go ahead and do so now and hit the notification bell to be notified when I post.